We begin with breaking news. A federal judge has temporarily blocked the Justice Department from moving forward with that so-called anti-weaponization fund. We want to get right to CBS News senior White House and political correspondent Ed O'Keefe, who joins us now. So, Ed, what are we learning about this?
Yeah, U.S. District Judge Leonie Brinkema said in a brief order that this temporary halt to the fund allows her to consider whether to grant longer-term consideration of this suit. Perhaps no surprise, because in essence, every time one of these lawsuits gets picked up by a judge, they usually slap a temporary restraining order of some kind on it. And so in this case, there is a group challenging the new fund, which of course was announced by the Justice Department earlier this month. It is being challenged by a handful of individuals, and they argue that this fund is a collusive agreement between the president and his administration that, quote, has no congressional authorization, no basis in law, and no accountability. And let's remember that what they're calling the anti-weaponization fund has faced plenty of congressional scrutiny, particularly among fellow Republicans who have asked the Justice Department for information on what exactly this is for, who exactly is eligible, what is the criteria for receiving funds, and is there any way that you can control who exactly gets this and ensure that those that were convicted of or charged with attacking law enforcement don't get payouts. But critics, of course, calling this a slush fund for the president's supporters and those, of course, who participated in the January 6, 2021 insurrection who had been pardoned by the president.
Okay, more to come on that.